What's up, Dash Squad? Your girl is back with another video. Welcome to the Dash channel. If you are new, if you are returning, you guys know I appreciate you for watching. It means a lot to me. I have been getting some new subscribers, so thank you. I'm almost to my milestone. It's been taking me some time, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. So if you are new, my channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, lifestyle, and hair reviews. So we have another hair review for you guys by LAVYHAIR. So this is a U-part. I love these for my natural women that don't like leaving their hair out. So I'm going to show you two versatile looks, maybe more than two, but primarily two, one with the leave out and one without a leave out. So let's get right into this unit. Women like me try to have some integrity, make it hard. Good girls like myself who respect themselves and have dignity. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into it. I'm so into it. I'm so into it. Oh, I'm so into you've never been before, and you'll be so happy that you came. I'm gonna take you there. Things that you say, oh, I'm not too sure what it is, boy, but no, I feel with every passing moment. Thoughts of you run through my head. baby. I think you're truly something special.
So if you have stuck it out to the end, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you. I would definitely suggest leaving hair out. Covering up the hair was a little bit difficult. I did use some Barbie pins to pin it up a little bit, and I don't like the parts to be too close. I want to have like a natural part, but the leave out basically was giving everything it needed to give. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Until next time, Dash Squad.
You